Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for my Project Polish Roulette. Um, yeah, there's quite a few polishes I looked at, and some I'm decluttering and some I'm keeping in the project. So, let's start with, okay, I have to remember which one was which. Okay, so I think this is this one. I'm decluttering this peach sorbet. Here it is. Here it is, swatched there. Next is baby blush from Kiss. Oh, sorry. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's better. That's right next to it. I'm decluttering that one. Next is from Pure Ice. It's called Sorbet. It's this one there. Next is Julianne's Nude from L'Oreal. It's their collection privé. When a bunch of celebrities did nail polish colors. This is Julianne's right there. This is Julianne's Nude. Okay. Then we have from Color Club their watercolors line. It's a water-based nail polish. This is called Who Gives a Ship, and that is the color there. I don't know if you guys can see. Next is this one is from Ciate London. It is called Iced Frappe, and it is this one. Oh, these I'm keeping. I'm keeping this one. Next one is Amazing Gracie. It's just a white, but it's a nice white. I like it, so I'm keeping it. Next one is also Ciate London. This one is called Gold Digger, and it is that one there, right next to the black. I like it. It's pretty. So I'm keeping those. I have another wheel. Hold on. Okay. I don't know why I just shook that. I had progress on it too. Okay, I'm also keeping, I guess I should say what I'm rolling in. God, I'm not here right now. been crazy at work, so yeah. This is Sally Hansen and Jelly Belly. This is called Strawberry Cheesecake. There, it's that pink one here. It's just a glitter topper. That's from one manicure, and it's already down to there. So I'm probably going to go through that quite easily. The next one that I'm keeping, or rolling in, is also from the Jelly Belly line. It's called Tutti Frutti. And it's this blue one here. Bluey one. Next is this orange. I really like this orange. It's so different. It's from Kiss. It's their gel. It's one piece of strand of hair. It's called Orange Aid. I like that orange. It's so bright. Next is, was it this one? Yeah. This one is from Pure Ice, and it's called Hit the Road. I like that. And the next one, and the last one I'm rolling in is Chance of Clouds by Pacifica. And it's this gray. There you go. So, yeah. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 polishes that are being rolled into the project, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are being decluttered out of my collection. Oh, I forgot one. This I'm also getting rid of what is on here? That's kind of gross. Don't know what that was. From LA Colors, this is the Rapid Dry Top Coat. This sucks. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I don't think it does anything special at all. It is not rapid dry either. Because I put it on, I waited at least 30 minutes. It was still tacky. Maybe I got a bad one, I don't know, but I don't have time to wait for a rapid dry coat to dry. I don't have time for that. So, anyway, 6 leaving my collection and 8 being worked on in this project. So, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like nail polish videos. Subscribe if you have not. Click that bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.